Hi, today I'm going to share with you my personal favorite breakfast recipe, that is overnight oats. It is very nutritious, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, promotes strong heart and aids in weight loss. Let's start. I have taken 3 tablespoons rolled oats in a bowl. Add chia seeds. You can add as much as you like. Add milk. If you like thick consistency, add less milk, and if you prefer liquidy consistency, use more milk. After that, take some curd and mix everything well. Now for sweetener, I am using sugar-free Natura. I am adding 1 tablet to my breakfast bowl. You can even use honey instead, as honey is a natural sweetener. After giving it a good mix, I have added apple, 1 chopped banana, and about 10 almonds. You may use any other fruits and nuts of your choice. Once done, refrigerate it overnight. Next morning, this is the final outcome. It will turn thicker in consistency the next morning. Tastes great and keeps you full for long. So that's it guys. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes.